to 10 minutes, gradually we can increase. What are the techniques of meditation? There are various techniques of meditation. Many are going for Vipassana, then Preksha, then Zen meditation, Vedantic meditation. In Vedantic meditation also there are various types. Vedanta meditation with form, meditation without form, then Rup Dhyan, Gund Dhyan, meditation on qualities, Lila Chintan. There are so many types of meditation. So one can adopt the technique that is suitable to you. It is preferable to learn meditation personally from a competent person. Otherwise, sometimes we may be astray into the path. If you want just relaxation, well, there are relaxation techniques available, relaxation cassettes are available, it's okay. But if you want to advance in spiritual path, then meditation should be learned from a competent teacher. Now, today what we will be meditating is, I will just put on a song and we will start our meditation with that song. Our meditation will start with that song and our meditation will end with the end of the song. And that song is also very beautiful. It was a favorite song of both Sri Ramakrishna and Swami Vivekananda. Written by, that is a poem written by last Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar. He was a Sufi saint, and this song gives the philosophy of Sufism, but in fact it also gives the philosophy of practical Vedanta, which was taught by Swami Vivekananda, and that message is very relevant for the modern youth today. Not only India, all over the world. That message of harmony of religions, the message of universal brotherhood, the message of world peace, all these messages have been given in this song. And the song is also beautiful, and for our own enlightenment, the meaning of this song will give us a lot of help. Apart from that, when we start meditating, what happens? Our mind goes to here and there. It wanders, sometimes in New York, London, Bombay, again it will come to Delhi. It goes on like that when we start meditating. So as a background, this song will be there. But what we have to meditate during the song, when the song is played, that is background. You may also meditate on the meaning of the song. But mainly the meditation is on, there can be, as I told you, whatever meditation technique you are following, you can do that type of meditation when the song is played on. But if you do not have any meditation technique at present, you do not know, one of the simple methods that I will tell you is, inside your heart, where is the heart? In the center of the chest. A psychological heart, not a physiological heart, where we say, I feel from the heart. When we say, we put our hand on the middle part of the chest. That is a psychological heart. So, sometimes, somewhere around that psychological heart is a spiritual heart. Think inside your heart a divine light, the light of knowledge. Think of the divine light. Inside the divine light, if you feel, you may think of your Ishtadevata, Ram, Krishna, Buddha, Christ, anyone whom you love. Think of the divine personality inside that light. But if you do not believe in form, in God with form, okay, you meditate on the formless light, but formless God, that is light, that is the light of knowledge. And during meditation, try to think, because of the divine light which is present in my heart, the ignorance of my heart is vanishing. I am becoming more and more divine. I am becoming purer. Knowledge is coming to me, and bliss is coming to me. I am becoming more blissful. I am becoming happier. I am becoming blissful. And all the ignorance and the past actions, all this is being wiped out by the light of that knowledge. Think of that. Think of the real nature, which, as the Vedanta says, as Swami Vivekananda said, infinite knowledge, infinite bliss, infinite existence. Chidananda Rupa, Shivoham, Shivoham. That was the beautiful Sanskrit sloka, stotra, that was played by Adi Shankaracharya. So think of Chidananda Rupa, Shivoham, Shivoham. I am that divine light. Within my heart is a divine light which permeates my whole being, and because of that divine light, I am becoming more blissful,